La Crosse is operated by Des Moines. Oh, wow.
At 7:11 p.m. Thunderstorms were located from no more than 8 miles east of Forest City, moving north of 40 miles per hour.
Forest City.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. As well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Decorah, Cresco, Alcater, Postville, Monona, Calmar, McGregor, Ocean, Marquette, Stillville, Fort Atkinson, Ridgeway, Farmersburg, Providence, Hardin, Luana, Castilia, St. Olaf, and Saintville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. Main impact time is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties: in Iowa, Allen, Lucky, Clayton, Fayette, Howard, and Wenatchee.
So clear.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 4.